All right, here we go. It's game day. What's up, guys?
We will climb up this fence with this thing, like up here. We can climb up it, see I'm at the top of the fence.
Hey everybody, Henry Haddad here, proud sponsor of Suburban Delinquent. This is SCMM 2018, baby. Let's get it rolling. We're here in front of Chaparral, one of the biggest bike shops in the world. Has amazing products for all your needs, all kinds of bikes. These are people's bikes. These people here are amazing bikers, big talent every which way. They know what they're doing, and it's just wonderful to be part of this community, this group of people. I think there's nothing like being on a bike, feeling the freedom, the air, riding along the road. It's amazing. My concern is safety. Everybody be safe. I know these bikers know how to ride a bike. I know they're amazing. But a lot of idiotic drivers out there, so you got to think about safety. You got to think about how can I do to prevent an incident, an accident. A lot of idiots out there. So we're here to protect you, we're here to have fun. And look, oh my God. Hey girls, how are you doing?
Hey Henry.
Big Papa's here. Hi, how are you? SCMM 2018. Come here. We're all having fun. We look forward to seeing you, joining you. All the bikers in the world, this is it. Don't miss out. All right, love you.
Thank you.
As a lawyer, as a legal protector, it's my job to make sure that you feel comfortable, that you feel safe, that you have someone on your side fighting the system. Insurance companies are the system, and we're here to make sure you get what you deserve, what you're entitled to by law. So don't be afraid. You have rights, and I'm here to make sure your rights are exhausted completely, fully.
Good to see you, buddy.
See you.
Thanks for coming out. Another year, another event. SCMM, man.
SCMM 2018.
Jeez, another
We're here again, and what really amazes me and fascinates me is this bike culture that you have here, that people come out and celebrate and kind of feel a unity. There's a bond between bikers. Explain that to me.
You know, tapping into the culture was really easy for me. I've been riding my whole life, and Suburban Delinquent was really designed to get motorcyclists together, kind of share what it's like for other people owning a bike and having fun with your friends and going around, because motorcyclists want to be around other motorcyclists, and it's a fun thing. It should never be a stressful thing. I'm not commuting, I just ride for fun, but it's something to be said about just creating a situation where you can bring a whole community of cool people together that ride motorcycles.
SUBD is that organization that's able to bring people together to enjoy life, live life, and have a place where bikers meet and just talk and see what's latest is going on and everything. And of course, your videos are just amazing. Introduction to all sorts of foods and places that are just there around us every day. We get to enjoy it through through you, and you get to excite us to go out there and see what's out there, explore.
That's true, man. The world is wide open on a motorcycle. It's so different than any other culture, it really is.
It is. My brief experience is it's just a total different riding experience, experiencing life. Your senses are at its height.
It's true, you got the smells, you got the visuals, you got the fear, so many aspects of it that you don't experience when you're in a car.
Absolutely right. The wind blowing in your face and everything. Well, this is wonderful. Chaparral's a great place to have this hangout. All right, well, good seeing you again. Take care.
Buddy.
All right.
Hey, thanks for supporting the channel. I can't tell you enough, man.
Thanks for letting me hang out with you guys.
Another 2 years?
We're here. All right.